Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Zelle transfer problems with your bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. If you're facing issues with Zelle transfers, follow these steps to restore functionality with your bank. First, confirm that your bank supports Zelle. Visit your bank's official website or app to check for Zelle integration. If Zelle is supported, ensure you have the most recent version of your bank's app. Open the app and log in to your account. Navigate to the Zelle section within the app. If you don't see Zelle listed, it might not be available for your account type. Next, check your internet connection to make sure it's stable. If you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi if possible. Attempt to complete a small transfer to test functionality. If the transfer fails, take note of any error messages. Visit your bank's customer support page for troubleshooting tips. Look for common Zelle transfer issues that may relate to your situation. If you're still having problems, gather your bank account details and transfer information. Call your bank's customer service for assistance. Explain your issue clearly and provide the error messages you received. Follow any instructions they provide to troubleshoot the problem further. If all else fails, ask them to escalate your issue to a specialized team. Document your communication with the bank, including dates and representative names. After resolving the issue, attempt another Zelle transfer to confirm it works. If the problem persists, consider switching to an alternative payment method. Stay informed about any scheduled maintenance that may affect Zelle services. Regularly check your bank's website or social media for updates on known issues. This ensures you have the latest information and guidance on managing your Zelle transfers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.